Hola.
Welcome to our channel. The aim of this channel is assist you learn Spanish very easily. Subscribe to our channel for lessons which can help you master other languages easily. In our previous video we learned some basic Spanish words. Today we are going to learn numbers and days of the week in Spanish. 1,
Una. Uno.
2,
Dos.
3,
Tres.
4,
Cuatro.
5,
Cinco.
Monday,
Lunes.
Tuesday,
Martes.
Wednesday,
Miércoles.
Thursday.
Jueves.
Follow the channel for more amazing lessons in the weeks ahead as we learn more words, days and a lot of stuffs.